Hello all, welcome to TC Electronics. In today's video, we are going to see another big recruitment update from Infosys. So Infosys is conducting a bulk recruitment drive for two different job roles. The last date is July 17th. We are going to see all details about this recruitment update from Infosys. This is two bulk recruitment updates and the package that they are offering is very good. So if you are interested, please do watch this video till the end. Also, if you are seeing the channel for the first time, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and follow us on our Instagram page. So there is two different job roles for which Infosys is hiring. So they are hiring for specialist programmer and digital specialist engineer or DSP. Okay. So here they are calling for people from 2019, 2020, 2021 and 22 batch. Okay. So these are the four different batches from which they are hiring. 19, 20, 21 and 22. Okay. So these batches of students is eligible. Now let's see what is the eligibility criteria. Okay. So the eligibility criteria is degree B Tech, all the streams of B Tech is eligible. Also ME Tech, MCA and MSc. So these are the streams of education from which they are hiring. Okay, so that is the eligibility criteria here. They have given that B Tech, ME Tech, MCA and MSc students from 2019, 20, 21 and 22 batches are eligible here. Now, talking about the package that they are offering. For specialist programmer, the package is 9.5 lakh per annum is the package. Okay, it is a very good package, especially for a fresher. Now, talking about the DSP post, the package that they are offering is 6.25 lakh per annum. Okay, so this is the details about the salary. Also, we have seen the eligibility criteria. Now, talking about the application process, what you have to do is you have to go to the link which I'll be putting in description, and you can get a survey form there. And on opening the survey form, you will get a checkbox that I agree and I have read all the above declaration. Okay, so just tick on that and then click on accept. After that, you will get a employment form, application for employment. That is the name of the form. Okay, so there you can get 99 questions. Totally 99 questions is there. And some of those questions are mandatory. So you have to answer all the mandatory questions and fill up the application form properly. So that is the application process. So talking about this application form, there are various fields like your gender details, first name, last name, email address. Also you have to upload your photo, that is passport size, color photo. Then you have to upload your resume, contact number, alternate contact number, date of birth, citizenship, address, pin code. All these things you have to add in the first page itself. After filling the first page, you have to proceed to the next page, from which you have to fill up all the educational details, your experience, certification, skills, all the details you have to fill. Okay, so totally, as I've told you, there is 99 questions. You have to answer to all the questions. So that is the application process. Now, talking about the selection process here. In the selection process, there are mainly two stages for Infosys selection for freshers. Okay. So the first stage is aptitude test. There will be questions from aptitude, reasoning, verbal ability, logical reasoning, analytical thinking or analytical solving type of questions, number systems, coding, decoding, these type of various questions you can expect. Okay. So just like you are preparing for any other fresher recruitment or any other off-campus drive, you have to prepare for this. Infosys also try to crack the aptitude test. Okay. Then there will be technical interview plus HR interview. Mostly for freshers, Infosys combine these two interviews together. That is technical plus HR. Okay. Talking about this interview, it will be virtually. It will be happening virtually. You can attend the interview from your home itself, but make sure that you stick on to the time given by the interviewer. Okay. Don't be late. If you are getting late even by 1 minute or 2 minutes, sometimes the interviewer will leave the interview. Okay. I have heard a lot of stories from various students that when I tried to connect with the interviewer, there was some internet problem and I couldn't connect. Within 2 minutes, the interviewer left. Okay. So getting a job is your priority. So try to attend the virtual interview on time itself. Okay. Don't be late, and also make sure you are having a proper internet connection while attending the interview. These two things is mandatory. Okay. So this is one story which I'm getting to hear from a lot of people. This is a very common story, but make sure that your internet connection and you are being on time. Okay, internet connection is good, and also you are being on time. So this thing is very important when attending the interview. Okay, now talking about the interview. In the interview, mostly the questions will be from your resume. What all things you have projected in your resume, the questions will be from that area. Okay, so there will be questions from your project, your skills, technical skills, the languages that you know. So mostly the interviewer will be asking you about your project details. See, that is one thing which you have done practically. Okay, so what is your knowledge about your project, how much you have actually done or actually worked for the project. So he will be asking you what technology you have used, what are the softwares that you have used, and what programming language you have used. All the things will be asked. Okay, so you should be having a thorough idea about your project work which you have done in your final year. And also your mini project. Okay, these things are very important, and also the technical skills that you are projecting in your resume. From that area, mostly the questions will be coming from, and also there will be some general questions, some HR type of questions you can expect. Okay, so the HR interview plus the technical interview will be together as a single interview. Also, the interviewer will be giving you an option to ask or clarify any doubts if you are having. Okay, so if you are having any doubts, any problems, or some questions, unknown questions in your mind, then you can just ask to the interviewer and you can clarify those doubts. Okay, so that is all about the selection process. Now, the last date, as I've told you in the beginning of the video itself, it is July 17th. But don't wait till July 17th. Try to apply for it as soon as possible. A lot of people are eligible here. This is a bulk recruitment update. It is a mega hiring or a bulk hiring from Infosys. Okay, so just go to the link in description, fill up the survey form, and wait for 2 weeks minimum, because it will take time to shortlist the applications, to select the qualified people, and to send them mails. So wait for 2 weeks, and then you can check whether you are getting shortlisted or not. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I'm really hoping that you found the content useful. If yes, like the video and share the video with your friends. Tell them to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Keep on watching.